Good morning, everybody. I think it's a Wednesday. I'm honestly not too sure. But we are going to go on an adventure today around the ranch. A lot of people have been asking me to do a little walkthrough, so I thought it would be fun if I recorded a little video. I was going to do this on Instagram, but then I was like, the video is going to be way too long. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on YouTube. Lorraine! Ping! So I'm going to grab my adventurers. Actually, I might go this way first, because sometimes when I go the other way, I feel like they don't ever come back. So, Lorraine! Hello! I can't whistle, by the way, so. Hey, little mamas! Little mimas! Hello! Little Nina! She's like not listening to me. So I'm gonna go on a journey with Pig. I don't really know what Pig's doing either. I think he thought that he could go up this hill. Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. Pig! He thought he could do it. And he did try, like, I'm not gonna lie. He tried. I have some more pigs over here, which I probably will let another one go eventually. And then we're missing one, so super heartbreak. Lorraine! Annabelle! Hello! She's like not following me. Little mamas! Hello! Little mamas! Little mama! Hey! Little mamas! I was like, I like when I'm filming that now. I can't. But, little mama! There she comes. There she comes, y'all. Here she comes. Good girl! So we're gonna go on a little journey. It's a little hot. I'm wearing some sweatpants that say magical. Some like fuzzy pants and a black long sleeve shirt. Probably not the best thing to be wearing out on this adventure, but that's okay. So, to the left, ooh, I should be wearing better shoes, y'all. I'm wearing like these tennis shoes, which is not a really good shoe advice to wear on the ranch. So we have some cows over here, which I might make another video for that, because I don't know how Mama Cow and Little Mama will do together, so. Oh, look at this, you guys. Where is it? What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful butterfly. You guys, that's so pretty. It's probably the biggest butterfly I've seen ever. Oh. Can you see it? It's super big. That was really pretty. It was yellow. So pretty. Oh, here it comes back. Wait, where'd it go? I lost it. Oh no, it's so pretty, guys. So, I guess my dog is leaving me, and then I've noticed I have 10% battery. I always like to film, I swear, when I have like no battery, so. We're gonna actually, so I guess I'm going to go this way, because I don't know which way I'm gonna go right now. And I'm indecisive, so. And all the cows are like trying to come to me. They want some snacks. So we're actually gonna go this way, the back way. Lorraine! Lorraine! Lorraine. These are my piglets. Oops, excuse me, babe. Excuse me, babe. And do some little bits of exploring. Now, it is super difficult to walk in these conditions sometimes, especially if you're not wearing the right clothing. But this is behind the pig pen. And it's really pretty. I have my dogs barking at the house. They are unskilled to come out here, so I don't usually give them privileges to come out here in the front yard. They have their own little section that they kind of hang out with. You can tell that Pig is always along for the journey. And, whoa, that was a pretty butterfly. There are so many butterflies right now. Lorraine! Lorraine! Little Nina! Little Nina! Little mamas! I'm not really sure how she's gonna get here. Little Ninas! And we're gonna get to each other. Little Ninas! Little Ninas! Little Ninas! So you'll tell she's trying to. We have a lot to clean up on this ranch as well, so you'll notice there's lots of debris everywhere. There's just, over the years, so many people have lived here. You know how it goes, so it's gonna be our time to get this clean. But I wanted to go ahead and show you the nature fact, because it's really pretty during the day when there's lots of sun. When there's lots of sun. Lorraine! Call my baby. Hopefully she knows where I am. This is what I'm talking about. Dangerous treachery. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous treachery. Lorraine! Boo! 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 No. Little Ninas! So yeah. It's really hot. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. And we'll definitely do more of these little walk-in hauls